All right, guys, welcome back to the Crypto Boys. Joe P is here with you again, not missing a beat. Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. You guys know how it is, so thanks for joining. I know it is Mother's Day weekend, so have an awesome Sunday tomorrow. Hopefully you call your mom, hang out with her, buy her flowers, whatever you want to do. But yeah, today is Saturday, so we got a whole nother day. If you are late to the party on buying your mom something, go do it now. Anywho, guys, what is going on with the crypto market? I am going to tell you. Bitcoin is down quite a bit. We're going to look at that here in a second, but why is the big question? It is an opportunity definitely to scare the retail investors, which is you and I, the little guys in the pond here. The big whales can manipulate this market pretty easily, right? So if they want to buy lower, this is a good way. Push it down, get you a little scared, kick you out, boom, and then they can buy lower. So thanks again for joining today, guys. Let's hop into coin market cap. Okay, here we go. Waldor, what's up, man? Low prices, that's right. Solo-genic. Maybe we'll look at Solo here in a second. Okay, Thursday, I was looking at PEPE, and it was down 30%. On the day, it is up 58%, and it is freaking flying up 63%. It was just 50. It is moving. Wow. I thought this thing would be dead by now. That's impressive. Look at that. I mean, it tanked and it fell hard. If you're buying the bottom down here, you might have an opportunity to make some more money. Good for you, whoever's doing that. Look at this. Is it going to go back to all-time highs? What do you guys think? We'll make a poll. We'll make a poll here on the channel a little bit. Will PEPE hit new all-time highs? I don't even know what this number is. If it's all-time high because there's too many zeros, 0.0000426. If it does, that'd be hilarious. I don't know if it's going to happen or not. All right, guys, back to coin market cap. Market cap currently right now, $1.12 trillion of the entire crypto market. Let's accept these cookies, whatever that means. No one even knows what that means. We just always hit accept to make it go away. To get back to all-time highs for Bitcoin and the overall market cap of the crypto world, we have to get to $3 trillion. So we're going to get there eventually. This is the first time that I have seen Bitcoin at 26 something in a long time. Why the hell does coin market cap look like this right now? Why is all this stuff over here? They must have switched this around within the last week. I don't know if I like it like this. Waldor, do you like any layer ETH projects? I've been buying a lot of Arbitrum. Yeah, I like Arbitrum. I like Polygon a lot. Polygon would probably be my top pick if I were to pick one. If I could only pick one, simply because of the big names that are backing it. There is massive companies behind Polygon stating that they want to use it. Of course, Disney being one of them. That's huge. Arbitrum, I think, definitely has some potential to run. Just made a video last week, I think it was, about Arbitrum, so go check that out. Robert, what's up, man? Elon Musk tweeting about PEPE this morning. That's why. Dude, this dude is the meme coin king. All he does is post about meme coins and makes it explode. People don't know what it is, but they can buy it now. It's pretty readily available. You can buy it on a lot of places. I'm pretty sure crypto.com you can buy it. You can buy it on a lot of exchanges now. Uniswap's trading volume has freaking exploded. Absolutely exploded since these meme coins have been going crazy, like nuts. If you don't know how to use a DEX, there's a lot of people that don't know how to use a DEX, a decentralized exchange, but something to pay attention to. Maybe learn how to do that. Self-custody is an important thing. Okay, let's see. We're really just on a downtrend, guys. I thought we were like a wedge here that we were gonna kind of pop through. I can't draw on here. Oh shit, can't even see what I'm seeing. Okay, Bitcoin. I thought we were like whoop 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 whoop, and then kind of closing back up this way. I thought we were gonna pop back up, but we definitely went the other way. So, definitely going down. Not looking good. But again, we're still above 25K at this point. 26.8 for Bitcoin. That's not bad. That's not bad, right? So we've been talking about Bitcoin when it was down to 16K or whatever it got down to down there. That is a great opportunity to buy yourself some crypto. I was just talking to my wife about this. She's like, I'm thinking about putting some money into a high yield savings account. I'm like, do you know how high of that yield is going to be? It's going to be very minimal. Do you know how high inflation is right now? You're not even going to match that. Not even come close. I'm like, why don't you just buy some Bitcoin? She's like, I'm not buying Bitcoin. All right, whatever. I'll just buy us Bitcoin and get us rich. Okay, guys, moving on. Down coin market cap. Ethereum, south of $1,800 now. Heyo. Uh-oh. Not goody good. Let's see. What is up on the week? Kava. I don't know what Kava is. Bitcoin SV, Lido DAO, KuCoin. People must be trading on KuCoin and using that. Rocket Pool, Cosmos. There's big Adam family in our chat typically. So shout out to you guys. Make yourself some money, baby. Pax Golds. Really, I mean, nothing else is up on the week. So everything is down. Everything is down. All right, Dez, what's up, my man? How we doing? Looking down the charts, we got XRP 42 cents, Cardano 36 holy shit cents right now. Yeah, exactly. At this point, what we need to do is just plan for the future. My hopes for you guys paying attention and watching these videos is that A, hopefully you learn a thing or two and we're providing you some value here at the Crypto Boys. And 2, hopefully you are accumulating in some way, shape, or form some crypto. We don't think we're going to get back to all-time highs. I don't think we're going to get back to all-time highs anytime soon. Like that just doesn't feel like it is in the hopes and what's going to happen here very soon. But we know the halving will be next year. We know that typically all-time highs tend to come after that. So we're looking 24, 25 is our future. The future is here right now. You have to make the moves and get yourself in the right position. Speaking of those layer 2s, Polygon, there we are right there, 85 cents. That would be one that I would be looking at right now, especially it's down 11%. I mean, it's red, baby. That's a good time to buy. 85 cents, we'll revisit that next time on the live and see where it's at. Okay, why don't we pop over to something we haven't looked at in a while. Good old friend Sologenic. Holy cow. Woo! That bad boy is jumping. Jumping. Honestly, at 12 cents, that's a hell of a deal, my friend. Hell of a deal. Woo! Yeah, so we'll take a peek at that. Of course, Sologenic is one of the ones that we do love here on the channel. Yeah, so their circulating supply is pretty much maxed out now. They are there. They are fully maximum supplied. Waldorf saying FLR got listed on Coinbase and Solo is on the XRP ledger as well. Coinbase also said it would relist XRP depending on the lawsuit. Everybody's been saying that. Everybody is saying that it depends on the lawsuit. They're not going to relist it if it's a security, of course, which is what we're looking to do. All right, moving on, guys. This is a big one. Okie dokie. Not good for the Canadian citizens. If you're in Canada right now, give me a shout out. I hear it's awesome there, but not right now in this time. Okay, so Binance announces its exit from Canada, citing regulatory tension. The reason why they are saying this is because if we read a little bit further, and the Crypto Boys do this for you, so you don't have to read anything. We had high hopes for the rest of Canadian blockchain industry. Where is it at? Unfortunately, new guidance related to stablecoin and investors' limits provides to crypto exchange makes the Canada market no longer tenable, able to be utilized by Binance or a good outlet because the Canadian Security Administrators, the CSA, reveals new guidance that prohibits crypto assets trading platform within the country from allowing customers to buy or deposit stable coins without the CSA's prior approval. This is scary. This is not good. Obtaining approval would require the crypto trading platform to pass the CSA's various due diligence checks. Basically, what they're saying is we're not going to allow our people to buy crypto unless we give them the okay. You want $100 of crypto? You got to go through us. Yep, we'll approve it, maybe, if you've been good. Are you vaccinated? Oh, you're not? Well, maybe you won't be able to buy yourself some crypto. This is what the world is coming to. And it can get out of hand real quick. This is very scary, honestly. Canada's been doing kind of its own shit for a long time now, man, but not looking good there. We do not want to see regulation in that sense. We want to see regulation of the trading platforms. We want to make sure that when we put our money in there, that it's not just going to vanish. It's not just going to be taken off or backdoor traded through Alameda or something like that, like FTX was. Waldorf saying, have you invested in any meme coins? No, I have not bought any meme coins ever, probably nor will I ever buy any meme coins. It's just not in the token. I am looking to Maybe I should, but I'm looking to build like wealth over time. Like if I get rich quick, great. Like that's awesome. That's kind of what we want to do in crypto because this thing is new. But I tend to fall on a little bit of the safer side and looking to the future of if I buy myself, accumulate a Bitcoin or 2 Bitcoin or whatever over the course of the next 10 years, how much is that going to be worth? As opposed to hopefully hit the jackpot right now. I don't know. So I don't have any meme coins. But anywho, yeah, that's the regulation has to be with the exchanges, not the stable coins. They're hitting on the wrong things. Yeah. Waldorf saying he's lost money every time. All right, moving on, guys. This is an interesting take. We need better custodial solutions for Bitcoin. This is an issue nobody talks about. 5 years down the road, regulation has come in. They have great regulations on the crypto exchanges, let's say. That's awesome. Also, if you're listening right now, before I continue with this, very important point, the most important thing you can do right now is smash the like button. I would appreciate it. So do that for me and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Anywho, what we're looking at here, guys, is regulation comes in. There's new framework. It's great. It's awesome. Institutions are using Bitcoin. Like everybody's buying up Bitcoin. There's going to be massive congestion on the Bitcoin network. We are going to need layer 2s. We're going to need the Lightning Network. But if people don't know how to use that stuff, I mean, their transactions are not going to be cheap anymore. It's not going to be fast anymore. It's going to be slow and it's going to be expensive. It's going to be like Ethereum, slow and expensive. And we don't want that. We want it to be as fast as possible. You want to scan your card at the grocery store and have it be done and you've paid for your food with Bitcoin, right? Like that's the intent potentially somewhere down the road. If you disagree with me, let me know. But that is kind of what we're looking to aim toward is mass adoption, utilization of crypto. Like we want it to be valuable. We want it to have some sort of asset, which is why this is semi-alarming. Not really, but we're still a ways away, and there's a lot of smart people working on layer 2s and things like that. But to get to a layer 2, you really have to kind of get into the ground floor on the layer 1. Sometimes, especially people that don't know how to use it very well, they're going to have to kind of get in somehow. And they're going to have to get in on this slow, expensive network, and it might turn people off relatively quickly. So hopefully not, but it is what it is. Okay. Let's see here, guys. Last couple other things to talk about. This is one we have not brought up in a while. It is the Fear and Greed Index. Okay, so Fear and Greed Index right now is chilling at a beautiful 48, significantly higher than it was, let's say, 6 months ago. Going into like November, December, even January, it was down in the red. I mean, it was single digits pretty much at one point. We were very nervous. This is the FTX debacle. This is all the stuff going on with that. Voyager, Celsius, I mean, you name it, everything was falling and collapsing, right? Not good stuff. But we're at 48. We're halfway to like feeling pretty darn good. Now, again, as that market sentiment shifts more and more into the green, it's a good opportunity to take profits. Like when we're getting more feel that, hey, we're getting close to the top. We got to be paying attention to these big indicators like the Ethereum Foundation and the big actors. When they start selling off a ton, they're usually pretty spot on about darn close to the top of the market. So again, guys, we've laid out the framework and the time. If we're getting like a couple months into 2025, you got to start thinking, take profits whenever you can. You're not going to hit the top. You're not even going to be close to the top. If you're like Will, our buddy that bought darn close to the bottom, just sit and forget it, baby. Just get a plan now. You need to develop a plan. What I would recommend, hear me out on this one, get yourself a scratch piece of paper. Write down your goals and your plan of where you want to buy your coins, like at what price, where you want to take profits at. Like, let's say I bought a Bitcoin at 20K, which I didn't. But if I did, when we get to 40K, maybe I'll take, $5,000 worth of profit. Something like that. Pull it off to the side, put it in stable coins. Hopefully there's a little bit of a dump. You can dump it back in. If we're at all-time highs, you bought one Bitcoin at 20K, you haven't sold a single penny. Colin made this mistake. It rode all the way up to the top. Let's say we're at 69K. Let's say we're at 100K. New all-time highs, 120K, something like that. And you're like, ha, it's going up forever. Let's go. We're rich. Unrealized gains that you have. You haven't sold a single thing. And now we start to hit into this fast drop into a bear market. You're like, no. We're going back up. I'm rich, okay? And you haven't sold anything. Not good. So make sure you take profits along the way, guys. Don't be greedy. Just be happy. Just be happy that you're so early in the space. You're listening to the Crypto Boys. You're subscribing to their channel. You're liking every single one of their videos. And make sure that you're doing what you need to make yourself in a good position and make some money, right? That's why we're here. Waldorf saying he can't wait until 2025 to be a millionaire and finally buy my farmland in Iowa. Let's go Hawks, baby. You can come to the Quad Cities anytime you want. We got lots of farmland. I mean, we're a pretty busy, like, metro area, whatever, in the Quad Cities. But, I mean, you can drive 30 minutes north that way, and you'll run into a bunch of farmland. But he actually just built a house on a bunch of farmland going out there later today. It's supposed to be awesome. So, yeah, man, that would be awesome. Come stop into Iowa, stop into Davenport, and we will kick it. We'll drink some bourbon or some Coors Lights or some Fit Aid if you're into Fit Aid. Fit Aid's okay. It's all right. It's better than Kill Cliff, in my opinion. Any CrossFitters watching right now? Know what I'm talking about? All right, guys. Well, Q&A a little bit. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, hateful remarks, drop the comments now, and we will roll through that. I wonder if we got a notification. It's pretty dead in here right now. It's real quiet. Just Waldor going off and Dez popping in a little bit. Okay, I'm getting a phone call right now. Like I said, stay on for maybe 2 more minutes. And, yeah. I did get a notification that I am live. No, I didn't. What the? Okay, guys. So, either way, guys, have an awesome rest of your day. Waldor, thanks for dropping comments, man. I always appreciate your support. Hopefully, Sologenic runs to the moon, makes you a millionaire, and you can hang out in Iowa. That would be badass. All right, guys, have an awesome rest of your weekend. Have a happy Mother's Day, and peace. Thanks, as always, for watching the fittest crypto channel on YouTube. We're out.